Right. Good morning, all of you. So in previous class, we discussed about all the constraints except foreign key, right? Except foreign key. Yes, all of you are here. So foreign key, right? Foreign key. So foreign key is used to develop the relation between two tables, guys. Relation between two tables. If you want to create a relation between two tables, we'll go with the foreign key. Means in one table, primary key must be there. The second table take the foreign key. So give the link between primary key and foreign key. That is called relationship. That is called the relationship. For example, so take the one table. We have the already one table is there, right? Let's take we have the student table, right? Students data is there. Students data, right? In this, some fields are there. Remember now, some fields. What's first one? Student number, right? First one, student number. Student number. Next one, student name. Next one, course name, college name, right? So yeah, student name. First one, student number, right? And like this. A student ID, for example. Okay, student ID, student name. Next one, course, college name. Okay, college name like this. Next one, right? Branch is there, branch, and branch percentage, right? Percentage. Next one, passed out year, and last one, gender, right? Gender is there. This is the one table, okay? It's on table data. Now, the second table is there. The second table, what's table name? Course, right? Course data is second table name. Here also some fields are there, right? Here also some fields are there. Those are first one. Suppose course number, right? Suppose course ID or course number. Next course name. Of course name. Next course fees. Course fees. Then institute name. Next one, institute location. Okay, and anything else? Last one, student number, right? Student number is there. Okay, student number is there. Yes. So, what are the common columns? These two are the common columns, right? Okay, these two are the common columns. So, by using these two columns only, we developed joins and also developed subqueries also. Okay. Now, on these two columns, between these two columns, we have to create a relationship. We have to create a relationship. That's called the primary key foreign key relationship. So this is the we take as a this course is depending on the students, right? Depending on the students. That's why this one take as a parent table. We take as a this one child table. Parent table, child table. The parent table, we take the primary key. We take the primary key in the parent table. The child table, we take the foreign key. We'll take which one? We'll take the foreign key like this. Right? All of you. So we take the foreign key. From there, we send the reference to which column? SID in the student data. From the foreign key, we send reference, guys. We send the link. Which table? The students data. Which column? SID column. To send manually so that the link will create automatically. All right. So now to work with foreign key, what is mandatory? In another table, Another table, primary key is mandatory. Without primary key, we cannot create a foreign key. Because primary key is like a parent and a foreign key is like a child. Without parent, okay, child are not possible. Laughing, right? So what do I do now? I'll create two tables. I'll take two tables now. The first table, I'll take the one SID and the primary key apply. In the second table, I'll take same some SRO. On this, I give the foreign key. I give the foreign key and send reference to which one SID and the student data. Okay. So if you give like that, then next what do here? Suppose the parents are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parents are. If the child values should be available parents only. You can take the 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, or 5, 6. That's the maximum. These numbers one should take. You can't take like here 10 not possible. Why? With the 10 parent is not there. The child numbers must be which are available parents only. Those only allowed. If you try to give the some other number, it will throw error because that parent is not available there. Parent is not available. Okay. Right. Let us try now. I'll create the two tables for this purpose. What is the database name? Use MySQL 7 AM DB, right? 7 AM DB. Right. So I'll take down table, create table. I take this to students. We have the previous students data. Students is not there, right? Students will take the some SID which is integer. I take the primary key on that. Primary key. Just wait. That's it. Other day. Students is not there. Students data is there. And take it's there. Okay. Then we'll go with some employee is there. One employee. Check there. Employee is there. EMP is there. Employee. Okay. Then. Okay. Employee. I take the one here. Suppose the employee ID. Okay. I take the employee ID. Employee ID primary key. Then we take the employee name, which is varchar of 20. You can take suppose not null, right? Not null. Next one, let's take the salary, which is integer. Okay, and we take the last one, company name, which is varchar of some 20. That's all. Okay, right. So I give the some data here. We give some data. Let me know. Insert into a table name employee, then values of ID1, employee name, some name here, then this one salary, right? Some 20,000. Then company name is let's take suppose right TCS guys. So I take the TCS like this. Over. Next 2. Okay, Nani. Let's take here some 30,000. Next one, we take the some pro. Okay, pro. Right. Next one, 3. We take some Satya here. Then okay, 25,000. Right. We take here. Okay, Infosys. I take the fourth one, 4. Okay, let's take here. Suppose some Rohan and some 40,000 like this. Next one, let's take here some CTS like this. All over. Right, that's fine. So select the star from which one? Okay, employee, right? Employee is there. Now let's take the one more table. Click on some table name suitable to employee. You take the staff. Employee related staff means in IT. Company data na. Okay, let's take the location table. Table name which one? Location, right? For example, guys, now create table. Okay, the table name, for example, location empty. at location. In this one, I take the suppose location ID, which is integer. I can take primary key here also, no problem. Primary key. Next one, location name. Observe here, location name, which is varchar of some 20. Okay, and I'll take the just yes employee number like this. One employee number. So what is there? The primary key table EID is there. I'm taking which one employee number, which is integer, right? Integer. On this one, I'm giving the foreign key. That's all. FOREI, right? REI, foreign key. All of observe here. So in this table, EAD primary key is there. I'm taking the ENO foreign key. All of it. ENO foreign key and the EAD primary key. So primary key is there, foreign key is there. But between these two, we have to give the relationship. One primary key is there, one foreign key is there, but we have to give the relationship now. How to give relationship? All of observe here. Okay, comma. So what do I do now? From this table, I send reference to parent table. References. Let me know. REFERENCS, right? References. Which table? Let me know. I'm setting this column, right? This column reference to that one. References of which one? ENO. Which table? To the table name. Employee. Which column? Employee. Which column? Employee. EID. That's all. Now all of observe here. So up to here, what is happening now? ENO foreign key creating over, right? Now, so in this table, which column? From ENO means from this ENO references ENO, which table? To the employee table, which ID EAD column. I'm sending the relationship. Okay, let us try now. It creates or not. It's references spelling correct. References RE spelling remove the comma. No. References employee table. Employee, right? REFERENCS references. No, don't use that too. So references. Anyone? So ENO is the foreign key. That's fine. References. Or I'll do one thing here. ENO, which one? Int, right? Int foreign key. ENO. Then references. Right. Now all of observe here. So location ID, location name, then ENO over. Now apply foreign key where on the ENO. All of observe. Apply foreign key on the ENO and the reference which table again. Apply table which one here EID means from ENO which has the foreign key referencing to the which one EID in the employee. And EID what is there already? Primary key, right? Primary key is there. Now, so I give the data here. I give the data element insert into a table name. Location. Okay, location. Values of location ID. Suppose 11. Location name HOID. Then employee ID is the 1. That's all. What does it mean? Tell me now. What does it mean? What does it mean here? Employee ID 1 working where? Working in the Hyderabad location. That's all. Employee ID 1 employee 1 working in the which one? Hyderabad. Comma. Next one. Location 12. 12. Take here Bangalore. Okay. And we take now suppose 3. What is the meaning now? What's the meaning here? Satya employee working where? Working in the Bangalore, like this. Next one, comma. I take 13, then Chennai. Okay, 13. We take the Chennai. I give the suppose 2. What's the meaning now? Nani working in the Chennai, right? And next, let's take 14. Then we take here suppose right Pune. And I'm giving 4 for example, right? 4, right? Now, what do I do here? Let's see both the tables. Select star from. What's first table? Employee, right? Employee table. Next one, select a star from. Which one? Okay, location, right? Location. The location, I'll try to give the one more row that parent is not available. For example, observe here. Let us try insert into location values. I am giving some 15 is the ID and the location is the, for example, Mumbai. I am giving employee 15 like this. Employee ID 15, right? ID 15. You can see error is there. Why 15 error coming here? Because with the 15, we have the parents to 1, 2, 3, 4 parents are there, right? But you're using the parent 15. Oh, there's problem. Okay. Now what do we do here? To change the 15, right? 15. And I'm taking this 15 to one parent 15, or else take the parent 5. We have the parents to one parents 1, 2, 3, 4 only. I'm giving the parent 5. I'm giving the parent 5. You can see right. You cannot add or delete a child row. Okay, that is failed. Which one? This constant failing, guys. Why it's failing here? Because parent 5 is not available, but using the parent 5. That's the problem, right? That's why. So in the foreign key table, the child rows must be available already in the parent. Otherwise, it will not allow. You can take only 1 and 2, 3, 4 only possible. You can't take 5 onwards. Okay, right. At the notes. So foreign key is used. Foreign key, right? Foreign key constraint, guys. So it is used to build the relationship between two tables. The first table must have primary key. The first table must have primary key, and the second table must have at foreign key. Next, the table which has a primary key is called the table which has a primary key is called parent table, and the table which has a foreign key is called child table, right? Child table. Good. Right. Now, so let us see now whether the foreign key allows duplicates or not. And a primary key will not allow duplicates, right? But on the EN, what is there? Foreign key is there. We'll see now. Can you give the same number or not? All of you observe. I'm giving the again one. Only one is there it already. I'm giving the one. I'm giving the one. We can see now. Means foreign key allows which one duplicates. But primary key? No, that's one difference. Okay. Next one. I am giving here. Let me take the 16, right? 16. We'll take the null. I am giving null, right? Null. Null also yellows. So primary key, these two not possible. Which one? Duplicates not possible, null not possible. But here both allows. Now my question is, does it allow only one null or multiple null values? That we will see now. I am giving the suppose 17, 17, and one more null I am giving, one more null. Yes, means the foreign key allows duplicates and also one or more null values also. Okay, right at the point here. At the point here. So foreign key allows duplicate values and one or more null values also. One or more null values also. But the primary key, the primary key, primary key does not allow, does not allow what? Does not allow duplicates and null, right? Null values. This is a very important interview. Difference between primary key and foreign key. Creating parent table. Take like this. First, creating the parent table. Right there. So at last select star from table name, right? Right. Right. So if you observe here, the foreign key value, the values must be available where in the parent table, right? At the point, at the note. The values of foreign key must be available in the primary key. Right now, all of observe here. As parent table, select a star from right employee, guys, employee. Now I want to remove the Sai, for example. I want to remove the Sai row. How to remove? Delete from what table name? Employee where suppose EID equal to 1. If I click enter, then what will happen now? Does it remove or not? Yes or no? I'm trying to delete what here? ID 1, means I data in the employee table. So delete from table name where ID equal to 1. If you execute it, does it remove this 1 or not? Yes or no? Syntax, same syntax. No wrong here. Don't worry. Syntax wise, nothing wrong here. Everything is fine now. Clear now. Does it remove the parent ID or not? Huh? Now observe here. Okay. We cannot remove the parents because dependency is there. Dependency is the right. Dependency means, for example, all of observe guys. Or let me take the tables again. First take the parent table, then take the child table. Right. Now all of observe here. So see Hyderabad, right? For which parent here? Parent Sai here. Means this Hyderabad value taken here for whom? For the Sai only it is taken. If you remove this, means this is the parent, right? This is the parent. This is the child. If you remove the parent, then what about the child? This is for whom now? The Hyderabad taken for only here. But if you remove the one, then what about this location? What about the child? That's why this is we implement which one here? Relationship. Suppose here no primary key, no foreign key. We can remove anyone. Guys. No dependency. Suppose we have the tables, students data, course data, employee data. There are also common columns are there, but foreign key is not used. We can remove any data, no problem. We can remove the ID student, we can remove any course, we can remove any employee data in those 3 tables because there we did not use a foreign key. But here foreign key is used, means relationship is built. That's why we cannot remove the any parent which is having the child. For example, guys, imagine now I take the 5th row here. I employee 5. Observe here. Insert into employee. Then values of I take the 5. Okay, 5. Then let's take here. Suppose Kamal now we take some 50,000, right? Take the 50,000 and yes, let's take suppose same TCS, guys. Right? Now observe here employees, then locations. Out of all the 5 employees, the first 4 is having the dependence, right? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 also is there. But the employee 5 is not having any dependency. Dependency is not there. An ID 5. So this 5 we can remove very easily because dependency is not there. But on 1, 2, 3, 4, dependency is there. You cannot remove the parents because their children are there here. If you want to remove either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, first of all, remove from here. Then you can remove very easily from the parent also. All right? Directly parent, you can't delete. If you want to remove the parent, you can remove the corresponding child first of all. Corresponding child. Suppose I want to remove the Sai. Compulsorily, I want to remove the Sai. Then what's the ID here? One. Where is the one? Here one is there. Remove the Hyderabad. Plus one is there. Remove the Mumbai also. Remove these two first of all. Then you can remove very easily there. All of you, right? And then suppose let's try the ID 5, employee 5. Delete from employee where ID equal to what? ID equal to 5. You can where EID na yes, where EID equal to what? Equal to 5. That is removed. Why? On the 5 dependency is not there. Dependency is not there. Okay. At the notes. At the notes. Employees 1, 2, 3 and 4 are having okay child records. So that means his parents are having dependency, right? Dependency. So we cannot delete these parents. Next, if you want to delete the parents, then we have to delete the corresponding child records. Then delete the parent records. Now let us try. First, what do? I remove the which one? I remove 13 guys, child 13. So now these two also will remove, right? That means parent 2 has no dependency. Now remove the parent 2 also. Okay. First remove the child. Tell me now. Delete from location where LID equal to what? 13, right? 13. It is deleted. Okay. Now, who is that? 2, right? Who is that 2 here? Nani. Now you can see here, delete from employee where EID equal to what? EID equal to 2. We can remove there. Right? Now check the final tables now. Final tables, employee. So parent is deleted. Corresponding child also, what happened here? Deleted. Okay. Right. Take this two. Here, LID 13 is depending on EID 2. So first we deleted LID 13, and then we deleted okay, EAD 2. Or right. So it's about primary key and foreign keys. Yes. So it's all about the constraints. Next, one more topic is there to discuss that is called clauses. CLAUSES. Clauses concept is there. What's the name? Clauses. Nothing but clauses means like a from keyword, where, group by, having, order by, and select. These are clauses. Okay, right? So it will take 1 hour time. Means next class we take the clauses. With this one, we stop the MySQL. Once it's over, we start immediately again UI. Okay, right. Thank you, all of guys. We see. So next class on Monday, right? Thank you. Bye.